Hey guys, I'm Seiji, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Gun Slinger. For today's tutorial, I will be using the Squid Industries Silver Nautilus. The first step in learning how to do a gunslinger is making sure you have the basic scissor down and also the scissor transfer. The gunslinger is basically just a fancy scissor, so learning these tricks are very important. First, take a step forward on the side you will be catching the knife with and set up for a scissor by holding the safe handle. When you throw the bally, move your offhand behind your back to catch the scissor. Throw a scissor behind your back. Catch the scissor. Then, from behind your back, you want to throw the bally back up to the hand that you threw it from to catch it into another scissor. Then you can continue your combo or end it there. Whatever you want to do, just make sure to have fun with it. Here are some different angles and uses of the gunslinger, as well as some pro tips to help you learn. Move the hand that's behind your back a little bit forward when catching the knife. You can also throw a slower aerial that arcs more when throwing it behind the back. Follow the knife with your eyes to make sure it's going where it needs to. Thank you guys so much for watching our tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you enjoyed, and let us know what other kind of videos you'd like to see from us in the future. Please be sure to also follow us on Instagram at Squid Industries Co., as well as our other social medias, link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.